Welcome, my friends, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, confused, worried about the future, depressed about the past, feeling angry, bitter, resentful, insecure, lonely, restless, or perhaps even joyful, know that it's a-okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can make the pain that go away. Coming back to trust and love. Coming back into compassion, coming back into resilience. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware of how you're sat, aware of your surroundings. Gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go. We're going to speed up the breath today. So following my lead, be sure that you're in a comfortable position to breathe deeply with every cell in your body. Inhaling. Exhale. Breathing in. And exhale, release. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in with every cell in your body. And exhale, softening the body, releasing tension. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in trust. And exhaling fear, letting go of worries. Every cell in your body breathing in. Every cell in your body breathing out. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Taking a breath in. And a breath out. Breathing in love. Exhale, releasing anger, shame, guilt, negativity. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling and exhale. Slower. And exhaling even slower. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in and very softly exhale, letting go. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, allowing your breathing to relax. As you bring your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming all the insecurities, worries, fears, disappointment, confusion, embracing it all like old friends. All is welcome in this moment. As if your whole being has become an accepting force, accepting all that it sees, all that it is in this moment. Relaxing your face, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. And I want you to relax your belly, visualizing your belly as pure space. Like an ocean of space in the belly. Very vast, very cool, very fresh. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in and holding the breath at the top. And very slowly exhale, let go. Returning home to your awareness, to your consciousness with the sound of the bell. Coming home, following the sound all the way to the end, very gently, very lovingly listening. And taking a deep breath in. Hold. Tense your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense, everything tense. And exhale, let go. Relaxing your hands, relaxing your feet, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, the lips, relaxing your forehead, the eyes. You're safe to close the eyes, looking in. So happy you would join me today. sending you encouragement on your path. Remember to have patience with yourself, patience with the unfolding of life, trusting that life is unfolding for our benefit, even when it's hard to understand how or why. The color for today is pink. The number is 500. And the animal, are you ready for it? The animal for today is a condor. Beautiful bird. Remember to tap into your intuition today, to follow your heart, to follow what your gut is telling you, and to come back to your awareness, aware of how you're sat right now, aware of how you feel after this exercise, aware of what you're gonna do next. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling. Exhaling, letting go of all negativity, worries, fears, anger, resentment, letting it all go as you come back to love, as you come back to trust, as you come back to a thankfulness. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Cherish today, cherish the little things of today. Cherish yourself. Cherish your mind, cherish your heart, cherish even the pain that you might be experiencing, understanding that it brings its own medicine, its own gifts. Taking one last deep breath for now. Hold. Exhale. I thank you for joining me today, my dear friend. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love. Remember that even if you feel pain today, that pain does not put a stain on your awareness. Just like the sky that remains pure no matter what the clouds are doing. So not paying too much attention to the clouds that are circulating inside of us, and instead focusing on that blue sky, untouched, pure, vast. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.